This cocktail is made for summer. All day, every day. Hey friends, welcome back to the party. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite summertime cocktails, the Paloma. It's bright, it's refreshing, it's everything you're going to want, so let's do it. Alright, so we're going to start with some grapefruit juice. Use fresh, use store-bought bottled, I don't care, as long as you're happy with it, I'm happy. Use what makes you happy, it's all good. Now, if you're using fresh grapefruit, you want to go ahead and make sure to strain the juice because we don't want all that pulp in our drink. No thank you. Okay. Alright, pretty. Alright, now to build our drink, we're going to go ahead and stir this baby. Like I said, I'm making two. It's a party for you, it's a party for me. So all of our grapefruit juice goes into our mixing glass, and then we're going to go ahead and add in 2 ounces of simple syrup, 2 ounces of lime juice, and 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. I'm using a blanco. I think it's nice and refreshing. And this Paloma. Alright, and I'm also going to add in a hefty pinch of salt. We're going to stir this. And you can go ahead and break some of your cubes if you've got like bigger cubes. It'll help them melt a little bit faster. Oh, or you make a mess. And that's all good too. Messing the show. Alright, and then we're just going to stir this until it's nice and full. You'll need to stir this for like a good 30 seconds or so. So close to drinking this. We're going to do 2 shots. We're going to put some ice cubes in. Yeah, we'll do 1 in each. Feel good about that. And then we're going to top this off each drink with about 2 ounces of your favorite sparkling water. Oh, that was going to explode. And I'm going to eyeball this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. There we go. Cute little garnish too. You need a little pretty garnish. There we go. And like I said, 1 for you, 1 for me. Give it a little stir. Oh yeah. Ah, this is so pretty. So pretty. Alright, you know what this is going to go really well with? Small batch queso. You can find that recipe right here. Have a little party, a little Paloma, a little small batch queso, and you will be set. It's bright. It's refreshing. I like a little bit of salt in there. Yum. Everything you want in a summer drink. Love, love to love.